Hi guys, welcome to AC Technical. If your Windows 11 PC is stuck in a boot loop, won't start properly, or your mouse suddenly stopped working after installing update KB5077181, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to uninstall the problematic Windows update, even if your system won't boot normally. No mouse needed, no settings app. So let's fix your PC. After installing update KB5077181, many users are experiencing infinite startup repair loop, Windows failing to load desktop, black screen after login, mouse not responding, system freezing during startup. Since the normal interface may not work, we will remove the update directly using command prompt in recovery mode. First, we need to open Advanced Startup. If your PC keeps failing to start, don't worry. After several unsuccessful boot attempts, Windows will automatically enter Windows recovery mode. So if your computer restarts again and again or shows startup errors, just let it try a few times. After multiple failed boots, you will see preparing automatic repair. If the recovery environment not launching, then here's a detailed video on how to enter recovery environment. Okay, once you are in the recovery option, select Advanced Options. Then go to Troubleshoot. After that, go to Advanced Options again. Now go to Command Prompt. Your PC may ask for your password. In recovery mode, Windows might not be on drive C. Type disk part. Then press Enter. Then type list volume. And then press Enter. Now look for the drive containing Windows folder, usually C, D or E. Remember the correct letter. Now exit from the disk part by typing exit and then press Enter. Now type dism space / image C / get hyphen packages. Now replace C with your Windows drive letter and then hit Enter. Look for KB5077181. Once confirmed, we remove it. Now type dism space / image C / remove hyphen package space / package name KB5077181. Now replace the package name with the exact name shown earlier and then hit enter. Now wait patiently. This may take several minutes. Now you should see the operation completed successfully. Close command prompt. Click continue and then exit and continue to Windows 11. Your PC should now boot normally. Or if the update is not showing here, then you can try to restore your system from most recently created restore point as I am doing. To stop Windows reinstalling the bad update, now one very important step. If you don't do this, Windows may automatically reinstall the same problematic update again. So after your PC boots normally, go to Windows Update. Then click Pause Updates. Select Pause Updates for 1 week. You can click it multiple times to pause updates for a few weeks until Microsoft releases a stable fix. This prevents KB5077181 from installing again and causing boot problems. So I hope this guide was helpful for you. If you have any questions or any advanced guide, then please let us know. Please like, comment, share. We need your support. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.